Installing RAM is easy if I can't install RAM. So, I used to have... I actually replaced my RAM once, but it wasn't the easiest time for me. It was not the easiest time for me. I replaced it, and then all of my peripherals stopped working. Like my monitors and my keyboard and my USB ports, they all stopped working. Yeah, so I had to like pull it out and put it back in, and pull it out and put it back in, and pull it out and put it back in, over and over and over and over and over again, until it finally worked. Did you make sure to blow on it? You know, I did. I thought it would help if I blew on it, so I did. I hope my RAM slots are still okay after all of that, though. I hope my RAM slots are still okay. It doesn't help. It's not like a cartridge. It might be a bit loose by now. Ah, no. I saw Korone doing it on stream before with some kind of game cartridge. So I thought it would work with that too. Yeah.